In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Slack desktop app when it won't launch or keeps crashing. Start by opening the Slack desktop app and signing in. Wait until your workspace fully loads, and make sure the left sidebar is visible, with your channels and direct messages showing. Now move to the very top left corner of the Slack window and click the hamburger icon, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. A drop-down menu opens with options like File, Edit, View, and Help. Move your mouse down to Help and hover over it. When the side panel appears, hover over Troubleshooting. In the next menu, click Clear Cache and Restart. Slack will close automatically, clear its local cache, and then relaunch. You should stay signed in, so you do not need to enter your login details again. Next, delete the Slack app data folder. First, quit Slack completely. Go to the Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of the screen near the clock. If you do not see the Slack icon, click the up arrow to show hidden icons. Right-click the Slack icon, then click Quit Slack. Now press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Look through the running processes and confirm that Slack.exe is not still running. If any Slack process is still there, select it, then click End Task in the top right corner. Now open the Slack app data folder. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog in the bottom left area of the screen. In the Run field, type $, app data, $. Take a moment to enter it exactly that way, with a $sign before app data and another $sign after it. Press Enter. File Explorer opens inside your roaming folder. The location is C drive, Users, your user folder, App Data, Roaming. Scroll through the folders until you find the folder named Slack. Right-click the Slack folder, then click Delete. If you want to skip the recycle bin using the method shown here, select the Slack folder and press Shift+Delete instead. Close File Explorer. Now launch Slack again from the Start menu. When Slack opens, sign into your workspace when prompted. Slack will rebuild a fresh app data folder automatically during this first launch. Lastly, uninstall and reinstall the latest version of Slack. Open Windows Settings by pressing the Windows key +I. In the left sidebar, click Apps. In the main panel, click Installed Apps. At the top of the installed apps list, click inside the search box and type Slack. Wait for the Slack result to appear. Click Slack in the results, then click Uninstall. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Uninstall again and let Windows finish removing the app. Now download and reinstall the latest Slack app. Open your browser and go to slack.com/download/windows. Once the page loads, click Download at the top of the page. When the download finishes, open the file named slacksetup.msx from your browser's downloads bar. Wait for the installer to finish. When installation is complete, Slack launches automatically. On the Slack welcome screen, click Sign in to Slack. Enter your workspace email address in the email field. Press Enter, then check for the 6-digit confirmation code Slack sends you. Paste that 6-digit code into the code fields. After the code is accepted, your workspace reloads. Slack should now open normally to a working sidebar with your channels and direct messages visible. There should be no crash, no freeze, and no stuck splash screen. If you use the cache reset, the restart should be instant and you should remain signed in. If you deleted the app data folder or reinstalled Slack, you should reach the sign-in screen first, then return to your workspace after entering the emailed code. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations, Slack is now back on a fresh working setup.